Ma'am.
Good evening, my dear children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good evening, ma'am.
I'm
Fine,
fine,
thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Fine,
How are you?
ma'am.
Okay, how was your weekend? How was
Ma'am.
your weekend?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. You spend some time at least for studies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. I hope you have read the previous portion of our story, Little Girls Are Wiser. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Do you all
ma'am.
go through your textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So shall I ask you questions?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Everybody,
Yes, ma'am.
please mute. Okay, I'll be calling one by one, and when you hear your name, you can unmute and give me your response. Okay, so we're going to recapitulate from the beginning till where we have done. Listen to the question carefully and then give me the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll start with Devaganga. Devaganga, name the author of the story Little Girls Are Wiser.
Leo Tolstoy.
Okay, good. Leo Tolstoy, our author. Do you remember his real name? Hmm? Yes, Devaganga?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, forgot. Okay, for the time being, Leo Tolstoy. Who can give me the real name? It's an open question. Yes? Does anyone remember the full name?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ananya?
can I?
Ananya, yes, I'm listening to you. Give me the real name, full name.
Lev Nikolaevich.
Yes, Lev Nikolaevich Tolstoy. Okay, good. Next question, Shravana. What were the name of main characters in our story? What were the names of main characters?
Akulya and Malasha.
Don't don't pronounce it as Malaysia. Malaysia is the name of a country. Okay, Malasha. Okay, Akulya and Malasha. Okay, next question is to Richard. Francis Richard. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Which season of the year is mentioned in the story?
Easter.
Season. Which season of the year is mentioned?
Winter season.
Yes, winter season. Very good. Next
Thank
question is to Kanishk. Kanishk, can you please come onto the screen? I forgot your face. Yes, Kanishk. Your question. What time of the year is mentioned? Hmm? What time of the year is mentioned?
Last
Answer me
class I
fast.
couldn't get.
Oh, you couldn't attend the class last time. Brisa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Give me the answer. What time of the year is mentioned?
Oh, ma'am, I didn't understand the question.
Time. What time of the year is mentioned? Some kind of celebration was going on for them. Easter. Okay. All right. Good. Next question is to Amita. Are the two girls friends or strangers?
Huh? Can you repeat it, ma'am?
Are the two girls friends or strangers?
They were strangers.
Really? They were strangers.
I mean, no.
I didn't know that.
Friends.
Yes.
Friends,
The two
friends.
girls were friends. Okay. Next question to Geetika. Where did the girls meet each other?
Ma'am, the
Where did
lane
the
between their home.
Yes, good. The girls met each other in the lane between two homes. Good. Next question to Namasya. What was the color of the little girl's frock?
Ma'am, it was blue.
Yes, the little one was wearing blue frock. Next question, Anandu.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the color of the frock worn by the elder one?
Ma'am, yellow print.
Yes, it was of yellow print. So children, please try to put your answer in a sentence. Okay, when you say it. Next question is to Anthony. Anthony Viju. Where had they come from when they met each other? Anthony? Where had the girls come from when they met each other? Come on, make it fast.
From the church. They come
Yes.
from the church.
Yes, they had come from the church. Good. Next question is to Altina. What did they show each other before they began to play? Altina?
Ma'am, their finery.
Yes, very good. So put it in sentence. Put it in a sentence.
Ma'am, they both showed their finery.
Yes, the girls showed each other their finery. What do you mean by finery, Saneka? Saneka?
Ma'am,
Yes. What do you mean by finery?
ma'am, clothes and their new things.
Finery means what? I'm just asking you the meaning.
Ma'am,
Vinayak, I'll come to you. Very good, Vinayak. I can see that you're raising your hand. Good, I'll come to you. Saneka? Finery
Yes.
means?
like new
Yes. Can
new
somebody help? Saneka. This will not be practical. Ma'am. No.
expensive
Okay. Yes. Expensive clothes. Children, I know that you are very active, but then you have to understand the situation. I can listen to only one of you at a time. Okay. Next question. What was the little girl about to do without much thinking? Ismail?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. After coming from the church, they met each other, they showed their finery. And what was the little girl going to do without much thinking?
Little girl
Mm.
jump into the lake.
Really? The little girl?
Splash the
No. Okay, we've listened to Atul. Okay, Ismail, listen to Atul. From where this sound is coming? Are you all not in muted mode? I told you. When you listen your name, when you hear your name, you can unmute and give me your response. Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What was a little girl about to do without much thinking?
She splashed the dirty water on the elder girl.
No, after showing their finery to each other.
They
Ananya?
began to play.
Yes, they began to play in the puddle. The little girl began to play in the puddle with shoes
With
and
the socks.
stockings. Okay. Next question is to Emil. Emil, what did Akulya remind of Malasha before she stepped into the puddle? What did Akulya remind of Malasha before she stepped into the puddle? Emil, where are you?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I don't
Yes,
know,
Emil.
ma'am.
Okay. I need somebody else to help Emil. Emil, listen to the answer. Malavika will give the answer. Malavika Bini, where are you?
Ma'am, I'm here.
Yes.
Ma'am, she said that she told her that her mother will scold her if she made it dirty and all.
Yes. She advised Malasha not to go in the puddle with her shoes and stockings. They have to, both of them have to remove it before they get into the puddle. Okay, good. Now, we have few more questions. When the water came up to Malasha's ankle, what did she do? Harriet? When the water came up to Malasha's ankle, what did she do?
Akulya told that be careful, don't splash that water into my frock.
When water came up to Malasha's ankle, what did Malasha do? Malasha was afraid and she told Akulya, it's getting deep.
Don't be scared.
I'm afraid it is getting deep. Okay, next. She had hardly said this. What happened next? Vinayak, can you tell me? She had hardly said.
She had hardly said, mind Malasha, don't splash, walk carefully.
Yes. What happened next? Sian Fatima, what happened?
Ma'am, Malasha stepped her foot hardly on the puddle and it splashed in Akulya's dress and her face.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Few more, last two questions. Anna, what did Akulya do when she saw stains on her frock?
She ran after Malasha.
Akulya was angry and she ran after Malasha
To
strike her.
her. Okay, that answer should be complete. Okay, Akulya was angry and she ran after Malasha to strike her. Last question. Last question. To whom should I ask? Ashish, what did Malasha do when she understood that she has got into trouble?
She was going to run to home.
Yes. Malasha was frightened seeing that she has got into trouble and she scrambled off the puddle. Sorry, puddle. She scrambled out of the puddle and she went home. Okay. So, very good, children. I'm happy that you have read your textbook. Okay, it is very clear from the answers that you gave, except one or two, almost all of you gave the answers. Very good, keep it up. Okay, so we will continue with today's portion. So we find that both the girls were planning to play in the puddle, and by mistake, Malasha splashed dirty water onto Akulya's frocks, and not only on her frocks, but also onto her eyes and nose. And at that time, Akulya's mother happened to pass by and she saw the girl in a very dirty condition and she became angry and she addressed her, "You naughty, dirty girl, what have you been doing?" And we find what is the response given by Akulya? Devaganga, give me the answer. What was the response given by Akulya? Devaganga, when her mother asked, "What have you been doing, naughty, dirty girl?" What is the response given by Akulya?
Ma'am, she said that Akulya splashed water on me purposely. Malasha.
Yes, Akulya replied, Malasha splashed the dirty water purposefully. But we know that it was not done purposefully, but by mistake. All right, so now we will move on to today's portion, page number 15. I want Altina to read. Altina, read.
Ma'am, from next page.
Yes, page number 15, first paragraph onwards. At this,
Akulya's mother grabbed Malasha and struck her on the back of her neck.
yes.
Malasha began to howl so that she could be heard all down the street. Her mother came out. "What are you beating my girl for?" she said, and began scolding her neighbor. One word led to another and they had an angry quarrel. The man came out and crowd collected in the street. Everyone was shouting, but no one was listening.
Yes.
They all went on calling till one gave another a push and the affair very nearly came to blows. It
Yes.
was then that Akulya's grandmother, stepping in amongst them, tried to calm them.
Okay, thank you, Altina. Very good. You read it well. At this, Akulya's mother grabbed Malasha and stuck her on the back of her neck. So, when Akulya's mother reacted in such a way? At what point of time? Geetika, at what point of time Akulya's mother grabbed Malasha? Geetika?
Yes, ma'am.
At what point of time Akulya's mother grabbed Malasha?
Because Akulya said that she did it on purpose and
Yes, very good. Akulya's mother was so angry when she heard from her daughter, Akulya, that Malasha did it on purpose. Okay, so do you approve of the behavior done by Akulya's mother? It's an open question, children.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
What do you think?
no, ma'am.
Is it a right way to behave like that?
Ma'am.
Not at all. You know that children, when they play with each other, sometimes mistakes can happen. And just by listening to what Akulya has said, Akulya's mother behaved in a very bad way by grabbing Malasha and striking on the back of her neck. So we understand that mothers are very protective and careful of their own children. Do you agree with the statement?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. You know how your moms react. Yes. When they find that you are in trouble or when another kid is, having a fight with you, definitely your moms will come to rescue you. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, definitely. So here we find that Malasha and Akulya, they were playing in the puddle, but by mistake, Malasha put her foot down and the dirty water splashed onto Akulya's frock. But Akulya was misunderstood. Why did she misunderstand Malasha?
She thought that Malasha purposefully did it.
Yes, it's not purposefully done, but there is a reason for misunderstanding Malasha. Who can give me the reason?
Ma'am, can I say?
Akulya want
Please,
one.
please, please come on.
Ma'am, can I
One
say?
at a time, one at a time. Just raise your hand, please. Just raise your hand. Let me see. Before you give me the answer, please raise your hand. Okay, Namasya.
No.
What is the reason why Akulya misunderstood Malasha?
Ma'am, because already Akulya has told that don't splash the water.
Yes, already Akulya has advised. Akulya has reminded her not to splash water. Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I can't see you.
I'm visible to everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Maybe your problem.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
visible to all of you. Okay, children. So there is a reason why Akulya misunderstood Malasha. Malasha did it by mistake, but then before she do it, Akulya had already advised or reminded her, be careful not to splash water. So both these things happen simultaneously at the same time. So then Akulya misunderstood Malasha and told her mother that Malasha did it purposefully. Children, are you able to follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you too fast for you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we find that Malasha's, Akulya's mother strike Malasha at the back of her neck. The girl is small and she would have hurt so badly. So after getting the beatings from Akulya's mother, the girl screamed aloud. She began to howl. She created such a big voice that everyone in the street could hear her. Okay, everyone in the street could hear her. Her mother came out. So now the problem is becoming worse and worse. So what is the problem that we are facing right now?
Because of Akulya.
One. Okay, I will ask. Malavika, tell me, what is the problem? What is the initial problem that is happening here in the story?
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
What is the problem? What is the problem that we find in the story?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Ma'am.
Okay, then I'll move on to somebody else. Sri Rudra,
Ma'am.
what is the problem here we find in the story?
Ma'am, because yes, mother came to.
The problem was that Malasha splashed dirty water onto Akulya's frock, eyes and nose by mistake. How did the problem get worse, Sanaika? How did the problem become worse?
Ma'am, after her mother make it a big.
Yes. Akulya's mother interrupted in between. The problem became worse when Akulya's mother interrupted and she struck the little girl at the back of her neck. Children, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The problem became worse
Yes,
when
ma'am.
Akulya's mother interrupted and she struck Malasha at the back of her neck. And now, hearing the big howl, the large scream made by Malasha, Malasha's mother comes out and the problem becomes even more worse. What are you beating my girl for? She said and began scolding her neighbor. One word led to another and they had an angry quarrel. So just like all our moms, they don't want their children, mothers do not want their children to be hurt by anybody else. So we find that Malasha's mother comes out and she starts a verbal quarrel, a verbal fight with Akulya's mother. Why did you beat my girl? What has she done? Who gave you the right to touch my girl? So many questions were asked and one word led to another and they started to quarrel. So the fight became more serious and serious. The men came out and a crowd collected in the street Everyone was shouting, but no one was listening. So what is here more important? What is more important? Huh?
I'm listening.
Is it to shout at another or to listen to each other?
Listen to each other.
Listening to each other is very important. When some problem happens, first we have to listen. What is the reason why this problem has occurred? Okay, we have to listen to the reason why this problem has started. In the initial stage, before we begin our chapter, we did a small activity. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and two friends were fighting with each other. How would you stop their fight? That was the activity that we did. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
some of you suggested that we have to listen to their problems first. Then only we can give a solution. Yes, the same thing is happening here. The people came out of their houses. Okay, it was just a small issue that happened between two little girls, Malasha and Akulya. And the matter was that the beautiful frock was spoiled with dirty water. And it was not done intentionally by Malasha, but Akulya misunderstands her. Got the idea?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Akulya misunderstands her. And then she reports it to her mother, and both the mothers started quarreling with each other. And then entire people in the village gathered round and they started shouting one after the other. But nobody was listening. No one was listening to each other. So listening
Excuse
is
me,
very
ma'am.
important, dear children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Who is this?
Emil.
Okay, Emil, ask.
Ma'am, the people gathered, no.
Hmm.
So they shout at these mothers, two mothers, Akulya's and Malasha's mother.
Yes, they were also adding. Some people were on the side of Akulya's mother and some took the side of Malasha's mother. Okay, so the crowd divided themselves on the sides of these two ladies. And then the fight grew very severely. Got the idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Is it clear, children?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So nobody was ready to listen. Nobody was ready to listen, but they kept on shouting. They all went on quarreling till one gave another a push and the affair very nearly came to blows. So children, I think you might have read in the newspapers and all. That is, the verbal fight has resulted in physical attack and a person stabbing another one with knife and the other person, opposite person was dead instantly. Have you heard such newses? Have you read? Have you come across such newses in the newspaper?
Yes, ma'am.
It's exactly because when we are an anchor, we do not think properly. Yes, thinking process will not happen when we are emotional. Sometimes we will be very sad. Sometimes we will be in anger. We'll be frustrated. When all the negative emotions comes to us, our brain will not work. Okay, and that is the same thing that is happening here. We find that the people took the crowd separated onto the sides of both the ladies and they started fighting. They added oil to the burning lamp. And then they all went on quarreling till one gave another a push and the affair nearly came to blows. Somebody pushed another person and they were almost started to physically attack each other. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It was then that Akulya's grandmother, stepping in among us them, tried to calm them. So who interrupted in between as a mediator to calm down?
Akulya's grandmother.
Yes, grandmother. So when two people are fighting with each other, somebody should be there to intervene. Somebody should be there to intervene into the matter. Only then it would get peacefully settled down. But here we find that the crowd was not ready to listen to the old grandma. Okay. So children, we have done hardly two paragraphs today. But then I'm so happy that you were all thorough with the previous portion. Okay.
Yes,
So is the today's portion is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
To everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, very good. So you have to read and come in the next class. I'll be sending
Okay,
you a
ma'am.
few questions based on this topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We have another class to start with. So I'm winding up. I'll see you in the next session, children.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.